exploring America's first national park. Yellowstone National Park's story of becoming the cornerstone of American conservation is a tapestry of discovery, advocacy, and visionary legislation. From its early days of enchantment and mystery to its present status as a beacon for environmental preservation, Yellowstone's tale is one of humanity's increasing respect and reverence for the natural world. This narrative highlights the park's unparalleled beauty and ecological importance, and signifies a pivotal shift in our collective approach to protecting such extraordinary landscapes for all time. The establishment of Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone's journey to becoming America's first national park is a story of awe, advocacy, and good timing. Before it was a household name, Yellowstone was largely unexplored, and its landscapes were more myth than documented reality. This changed in the late 19th century when expeditions ventured into these wild lands, revealing wonders that would capture the nation's imagination. In 1870, the Washburn-Langford Doane expedition took the crucial step of comprehensively exploring the Yellowstone area. They encountered geysers throwing boiling water into the sky, vast canyons painting the landscape with hues of orange and red, and hot springs with vivid colors that seemed almost unearthly. These discoveries were remarkable, surpassing the tales that had trickled back to the eastern United States. The concept of preserving such a place was revolutionary. At the time, land was seen as a resource to be used, whether for mining, logging, or settlement. Setting aside a significant expanse of land, purely for its natural beauty and public enjoyment, was unheard of. The establishment of Yellowstone as a national park laid the foundation for the conservation ethic that would eventually create an entire system of national parks and protected areas worldwide. It underscored the importance of preserving natural beauty and biodiversity for its own sake, a concept that was revolutionary at the time and remains essential today. Ecological and cultural significance. Yellowstone National Park, nestled in the western United States, stands as a testament to the magnificence and complexity of nature. Its designation as the first national park in 1872 signaled a profound shift in how societies value and interact with the natural world. However, Yellowstone's significance extends far beyond its pioneering status in conservation. The park is an ecological wonder, boasting a mosaic of ecosystems that are a sanctuary for a wide variety of wildlife. It is also a cultural cornerstone that reflects centuries of human history, intertwined with the natural landscape. Delving into the ecological aspects, Yellowstone is essentially a living laboratory. Scientists flock to the park to study its geothermal features, wildlife, and ecosystems, which are relatively undisturbed by human intervention. The park is home to one of the last intact temperate zone ecosystems, where you can find a complete array of native large mammals, including grizzly bears, wolves, and herds of bison and elk. This is rare in the modern world and offers invaluable insights into natural predator-prey dynamics, genetics, and conservation strategies. The geothermal features, like the iconic Old Faithful geyser, hot springs, and mud pots, are surface expressions of the immense volcanic forces that shape the landscape, providing a window into Earth's dynamic geologic processes. Culturally, Yellowstone is a rich tapestry woven from the narratives of Native American tribes, explorers, conservationists, and tourists. For thousands of years, multiple Native American tribes have viewed the park's lands as sacred, valued for their abundant resources and spiritual significance. These lands tell stories of human interaction with the environment, conflicts, and the evolution of societal values toward conservation. The establishment of Yellowstone as a national park marked a seminal moment in human history, reflecting a growing consciousness about the importance of preserving natural wonders for future generations. This value has spread globally, influencing conservation efforts worldwide. Yellowstone's influence on national and global conservation. Yellowstone National Park, sprawling across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, is not just a haven for wildlife and geothermal wonders. It stands as a cornerstone in the narrative of global conservation. Since its establishment in 1872, this iconic park has ignited a worldwide movement toward preserving the natural world. serving as a blueprint and inspiration for creating protected areas across the globe. At the heart of Yellowstone's influence is its pioneering status as the first national park in the world. This groundbreaking moment marked a pivotal shift in human perspective, acknowledging the intrinsic value of nature and the necessity of safeguarding it for future generations. The idea that a nation could set aside a vast and scenic area, not for kings or the elite, but for the public good and the enjoyment of people worldwide, was revolutionary. This concept of conservation through national parks quickly caught the imagination of nations worldwide. Following the example of Yellowstone, countries around the globe began establishing their protected areas. Canada inaugurated Banff National Park in 1885, Australia followed with the Royal National Park in 1879, and New Zealand with Tongariro National Park in 1887. These early adopters recognized the wisdom in preserving their unique landscapes and biodiversity, a trend that has only accelerated over time. Today, thousands of national parks and protected areas are scattered across every continent, each owing a debt of gratitude to the pioneering efforts of those who fought to preserve Yellowstone. If you want to learn more, visit wbusonadustyroad.com. Thank you for watching.